58 towering, candlelight beams will cast a blanket of warm light on visitors in the design concept chosen Wednesday at an emotional meeting of a committee tasked with creating a permanent memorial at the site of the deadliest mass shooting in modern US history. The number 58 represents the toll of people who were killed in the Las Vegas Strip massacre in October 2017, when a gunman opened fire from a high-rise suite at the Mandalay Bay Hotel, targeting people at a country music festival below. Two people who initially survived died in subsequent years from causes that were attributed to the gunshot wounds they suffered. The announcement marks a major step forward for the first October Memorial Committee, which began the planning process more than 3 years ago. The panel is expected to submit a full recommendation including an alternate design to the Clark County Commission in September. I will not lie that this has been a simple process, because it hasn't, committee member Minda Smith said through tears. But at the end of the day, I know this will become something of beauty and healing and love.